Your Skydio X10 SIM card will come pre-installed on your drone. Depending on your location or type of Skydio X10 kit, you may be required to install a SIM card compatible with your cellular carrier. In this video, we demonstrate how to install or replace the SIM card on your Skydio X10 drone. First, make sure that your drone is powered off. Then remove the battery to access the SIM card slot. The SIM card slot is located underneath the SIM card door near the sensor package. Use your fingernail to open the SIM card door. Use your fingernail to gently slide and then lift the SIM card slot cover. Next, insert the SIM card. Lower the SIM card cover and slide it down into the locked position. Lower the outer SIM card door and press it down into place. You have now successfully installed your Skydio X10 SIM card. For more information about your Skydio X10 system, visit us at skydio.com/support.